Goodbye hotel.
Goodbye hotel. Yeah, we had a really good sleep. We happy that we didn't choose the hotel in the center. This is only like 5 or 6 minutes by bus from the center. Literally 5 minutes walk to the station, from the station to the bus stop, and then all in all about 10-12 minutes. The bus stop is right around the corner from the hotel. It's on a quiet road, and we were not disturbed at all. It's really beautiful. The staff is very welcoming, and look at this. The bed is very comfortable, and yeah, we're off. We're changing hotels today, so we're gonna take the bus directly to our next hotel, drop the bags there, and head to the zoo. So stay with us, and let's go see some pandas. Cute little bakery around the corner. I was gonna get a coffee, but unfortunately they don't open till 10 o'clock. So from here you can book hotel with breakfast, where we stayed for £12, and they have a really nice area downstairs where they serve breakfast, coffees and everything. But because there's 4 of us, it's a lot cheaper to just get stuff, coffees and things on the go. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We had some pancakes and fruits. Sorry. Sorry. So luckily we found another place to have a coffee. It's pretty good. And it's right here, opposite the Sardinian restaurant, under the bus stop. The coffee is absolutely delicious, by the way. It cost us $4.20 each, so $8.40, and that was on the pricey side. This is a regular, not a large, and the bakes they had were delicious looking. I haven't tried them because we already had some bakes and fruit in the hotel, and now we're just about to catch a bus, so we might film some of the routes and let you know where we're staying as well. So we arrived at Holiday Inn City West, so that's about 10 minutes by taxi to Edinburgh Zoo. We needed to be this way because obviously it's closer to the zoo. There is no direct bus to the zoo, so we're gonna hop in a cab or Uber and we're gonna go to the zoo, and then hopefully from the zoo we can get a bus into the city, walk around, get something to eat, and then a bus out here to the City West Holiday Inn Hotel, and hopefully we'll be back here about 6 o'clock or 6:30, and we're just gonna relax because it has been a long day. We got up early and we were on the bus about 9 o'clock, and it took a long time really because the traffic was bad. But what happened is, on the bus, I'll tell you now, it sounds a bit strange, but I just made 250 on the bus. So there's this woman and she came in and her card didn't work and the bus driver didn't have any change, and she only had £5 and she needed 240 and I only had 250, so I gave it to her to pay for her bus fare, and all I wanted to do is just to pay for her bus fare so we could just go, because I didn't want you know, to be sitting any longer on a bus, and I really wanted her to get where she needed to go. And then she was insisting that she wanted to give me the money back, and I was like, I don't want it. But then she gave it to Violet, my daughter, and Violet took it and passed it on to me, and I didn't want to get into argument, and I said seriously I wanted to give more change to her, but I didn't have it, and nobody of my kids had any change. So yeah, so I walked out with the bus, and I was with more money than I got in, and it's kind of funny. And yeah, so travel is about all this sort of interaction, but she was so grateful that I rescued her, and she was on the way to her daughter's school. And yeah, Charlotte, if you're watching, you know, reach out, and I still owe you a coffee. Yay, Edinburgh Zoo. Huh?
So excited we are.
Very excited. There's actually a Holiday Inn right next to the zoo, but it was like £100 more expensive per night, and a taxi cost us like £8 or maybe less. So it's well worth booking the other one, City West. And also I mentioned that in the other vlog that the kids are back to school in Scotland at the end of August, and we're here right at the end of August, so there shouldn't be too many kids here. It's very quiet, so hopefully it'll be less busy, and yeah, we'll enjoy our visit a bit more. The view, it's cooler. Great day, but it is really, really warm. Virtually no queue here.
Are you using the car park today?
No, no.
You're good to go.
Okay, smashing. Thank you very much. Oh, it's interesting.
Pretty cool. So the zoo is 100 years old in 2013. So it's over 100 years old. Look at this. Where are the meerkats? Little statue is cool. Huh? Mm-hmm. No meerkats. There's a red panda. The only pandas. And this is why we're here, to see the pandas, because this is the only zoo in the UK that has red pandas. They're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
Ah.
They're like a big pussycat, sort of thing.
Like a fox. Like he's right there in his way, yes.
Such a beautiful coat.
I know. What are they? Hello. Ah, there's another one. So this animal was called Kirk's Dick Dick.
Look,
I
tiny
never.
antelopes.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's one.
And where do they come from? Africa.
And I see a bird. Like,
Ah,
yeah, over there, near the door.
what is it?
Oh, yeah, I see. It's sticking its head through the door.
Ah,
Over there.
there's a bird.
Yeah, it's one of those birds.
We can't see any birds, but definitely a good tip to just take a picture, and instead of buying a guide, that'll save you £1. And there's beautiful flamingos here. Gorgeous. There's lots of them. There's another enclosure right next to it with more flamingos. It's nice and quiet here this morning. Zoo is open 10 to 6, I think. So we plan to spend here probably 3-4 hours here. Aiming for 4. Grab a bit of lunch. And it's nice and dry, but it is promised to rain. So we'll see how that goes.
One good thing as well is they also have a interactive map. So at the entrance you can scan a QR code, download the app onto iOS or Android, and then follow where you are and get directions to where you want to go. Perfect.
Yeah. So far so good. Pandas are the highlight of the first 10 minutes of our visit.
Oh. They put legs up to keep themselves warm.
Stop shaking your palm now.
That was so funny sitting on the stone.
They're cute. Sitting on a stone. That one on the right. Oh.
This is my nest. No, it's my nest.
So, very interesting fact here about flamingos. Some of those flamingos you just seen, and we just seen, 60 years old, making them the oldest residents of this zoo. That's pretty impressive. I didn't even know that flamingo lived that long, but there you go, 60 years old. And there's the meerkats. Oh, there's 3 or 4.
3.
Oh, lots of meerkats.
It's free. They're just in their holes.
There's a lemur.
Ooh. I think it's going to climb up.
Yeah. There's 2 types here. The red-bellied lemur and the ring-tailed lemur. The red-bellied is currently hiding in a tree.
You can just see it moving a bit. So.
So there. Stunning views. I don't know if you can hear, guys, but there must be a protest going on, and the beeping cars on the road that goes past the zoo, and it's going on for about 5 or 7 minutes now, and it's quite annoying, frankly, to add to already busy city with the traffic and a lot of noise. This is not helping. I loved Edinburgh 10 years ago, but I'm not sure I feel the same way about it now. There's a lot of plaques to remember people that obviously supported the zoo. How beautiful. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful house. Nice office, huh? Really nice office to have. This is the back of the mansion house, and I'm just making our tour. A few drops of rain. The horns have stopped beeping, and a few eateries here. Kids are really excited to see penguins, and I do like penguins as well. Penguins are cute. Nice and quiet. There's a penguin cafe here on the left, right there. You can obviously grab a snack. There's also a restaurant here. And the kids have been to so many zoos. They've been to Chester Zoo, they've been to London Zoo while very, very small. Been to a few local zoos as well around Yorkshire, and they probably don't remember them. This year we've been to Fuerteventura, the zoo, Oasis Wildlife Park. If you want to check out the vlog, I'll put a link to the video below. And yeah, we've been to Barcelona Zoo about almost 6 years ago, but sadly they don't remember it. We might have to revisit sometime. And if you know a very cool zoo to visit, please let us know. We love zoo, we love animals and nature.
Picture you in King Kong. I've seen it big.
So beautiful.
A real one, yeah. There's a playground.
Oh, the smell here.
Penguins do smell.
Yeah, I remember that. It's not too bad, but you'll certainly...
When you put hundreds of them on a beach on the Falkland Islands, oh, it's horrendous the smell. Poop everywhere.
We do
They're
love
so
penguins.
beautiful. They
Yeah,
are beautiful people.
we do love penguins. Look, so many. Oh, wow. Gorgeous.
Where's the kids gone?
Thank you. And there's the Lego penguin as well.
Oh, I see the tin penguin.
Do you?
Yeah, it's over there. That one's a girl because it has a pink bracelet. Hey, these are the Gentoo penguins.
Gentoo. Oh, there we go. This is all the...
Northern Rockhopper is on that side. Northern Rockhopper is on that side, and it's just there.
It's just there.
The yellow eyebrows.
Yeah. See it.
That one's called Bow.
Very cool.
Sorry.
Wow.
See them coming?
Massive rhino. Oh, I love his ears.
He has no horn.
Oh, he has one horn rhino. I don't see a horn, you're right. Beautiful animal.
Look at this. Wow. Look at that. So he's got that horn just above his nose, see? It's not a horn as such, but it's like a stubble. Look at that. Wow. Look at that armour plating, eh?
Yeah, I know, he's like armor.
You can see his bum cheeks.
He's wearing shorts.
This animal is called Banteng. And it comes from Cambodia and Indonesia. Beautiful animals. There's supposed to be a water pig from Philippines, but nowhere to see.
Yeah, you reckon?
So this is the pig. It's supposed to be here. Found the water pigs. And there are a few of them there. Must be very, very, very hilly here. There's the monkeys. There's some other monkeys. Lola Niala.
Where? That was just cleaning the monkey.
Yeah.
Loads of them here.
And
But,
that's one thing.
There's some tuppence.
I feel like we definitely came at a good time because it's so peaceful here and there's only a few toddlers with their parents about. I wait to see a lion now. And there's another few animals we'd like to see, like sloths, bears, and giraffes. Yeah, the enclosures are quite big. The paths are steep, not gonna lie. You need to be fit here to reach some of the top areas like this one for lion. Probably not very wheelchair friendly.
Where's the grey one?
That's a ball. That's a ball. Majestic.
Did you where's the grey one?
The Lion King.
Black one.
You hear the tiger? Wow, Sumatran tiger.
Yeah, don't break its tail.
Those dinosaurs are everywhere. They have quite impressive statues. Well, what's the first thing that comes to mind? What's the best thing about the zoo? Are you hungry and you tired?
Seeing the sloth bears.
Well, we haven't seen them yet. The aquarium is here, next to the picnic area, but it is shut today. Just started to rain, and we didn't buy any food so it's quite expensive to come here as it is. Obviously our train cost £250 return from York. The zoo tickets cost us about £84 or £85 for the family. We did use the kids pass to save on the tickets, and then you could save on other attractions as well. There's 30 days for free, so you know, if we're gonna continue going places, we'll use it. If we're not, we can cancel it. And it's very cheap to buy kids pass. I think it's like £1 or something a month or something like that. So the hot dog costs £8. The beef burger costs about £11 at the kiosk, so which is quite expensive if you're buying 4. So we had some snacks with us, and that's what we ate.
Sloth bears are inside, but the lady said after she finishes putting the food out, she'll let them out again.
Alright. Yep, we even brought our drinks and straws. There's an idea.
Put something underneath the...
Bears are hungry.
These yellow things, what they eat. Oh, it's a sloth.
Oh, yeah. Something under it.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
The lady was out putting the food out for the animals, and then she let them out. There they are. Finding the food, the treats. The treats.
Treats inside there.
He's eating the treats inside.
Happy Jack.
Gorgeous babies.
It's like, hang on, I want to go to the toilet, stop looking.
It's in the toilet. It is cute. It's so cute. It's so cute.
There's a sloth. I've never seen them before. They're just a bit sleeping now. It's really warm in here. Raining now, but I'm gonna see some chimpanzees, and I think we're gonna call it a day.
Chimpanzees to say.
Yay.
And the coloured one. The leaves have wee on it.
Sniff and lift, isn't it? That was.
And one of the monkeys weed and one of the monkeys pooed.
Yeah, that was. It was very enjoyable visit, and the kids just had one of those flaps where you could smell things like figs and poo and leaves. The views are incredible, and it was so peaceful. We just picked the right time to visit, and we're just wrapping up our visit here. So many great animals, one of the best zoos I've ever been. We've been to Jersey, Barcelona, Dubai, everywhere you could think of the big zoos we probably visited, and a lot of local zoos as well. We have visited 3 this year alone, and in Fuerteventura one of them, and few local ones, and this one's been definitely one to remember. We are on the way to the city centre of Edinburgh to just have a meal. We had a bit of a rest at the hotel. Hey, these monkeys are pretty tired now after the zoo visit. Of course, I'm gonna say no. It's been pretty amazing at the zoo. We had about an hour's rest at the hotel and booked a place to have some huggies, and you got this really cute toy. This cutie penguin. I must say the bus is quite a good way around. It does take time, but it's pretty entertaining for kids. And they can look out, sit outside, and really see the city without the hassle of walking. So I like staying a little bit outside, and getting the buses, because it gives the kids a chance to have a look around, pass a bit of time, and for us as well to give a break. Look at this. Architecture is just stunning. I mean, you could walk here probably for days, but I'm just happy that we don't really have to. We did all the sites before, and for kids they don't really need to see all the sites just yet. They're happy to go to the zoo and, you know,
All the art galleries.
Yeah. We have passed this place on the train, Berwick upon Tweed, and it was amazing. It was so historic. It was absolutely stunning looking, with the good kind of architecture, river, probably River Tweed. And if I was heading to Scotland again, I would probably make a stop there. So one for the list if you're driving around Scotland. It's one to make a stop. It's stunning place.
And York Harrogate.
Ah oui, dans ce...
Mm-hmm. Like, follow that. Packed. We have booked Scott's Kitchen, which is right here, opposite Bertie's Fish and Chips. You have to kind of go up the steps and onto the platform, but it's quite cool, you know. It's very central. Clive is about to try Iron Brew for the first time. When you're in Scotland, I also got one. I nearly spilled it, but I've got myself an Iron Brew as well. Great Friars. Just having a walk after a meal.